Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. So we got this Audi A5 2017 in, and what we've done on this car is the Ghost Immobiliser system. So I'm going to go through a three-step process of what the Ghost has in terms of its features on a guide on how to use the Ghost 2 system. So the first thing is a standard pin entry sequence, which when you get in the car you can enter the pin code and it deactivates the Ghost. The second one is how to change the Ghost code, so you can enter your new unique pin code. And the third one is the service buttons, which allows you to put the car into service mode. So when you take it to like a dealer or garage, you can give the car in and they can start the car without the code. So the first thing is on how to put the code in when you get in the car. So let's say you now just got in the car, put the ignition off, turn it on again. When you get in the car, you turn the car on and wait for all the lights on the dash to turn on. And what you do is you put your code in. So at the moment we've got it set as a demo button for 4 times on the passenger window up. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, the indicators flash. So now the Ghost has been accepted and you can now start the car. As you can see, the car now starts. So the next bit is I'm going to show you is on how to change your code so you can enter your new code. So the way you do this, when you get in the car, all you do is you enter your current code. So at the moment it's set as a demo button. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, the indicators flash. Once you entered your code in, what you do is you press the gas all the way down, and while holding the gas you have to enter your code. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you enter the code in, you can see the indicators flash. That means it's in programming mode. So this allows you to enter your whatever combination of buttons you want while it's flashing like that. So when you enter your new buttons, it will go solid on the green. So at the moment I'll choose a new code. So let me use this again 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And it will flash 3 times to say to re-enter the code after it's flashed 3 times. So you have to re-enter the code again, and it will flash 2 times to say the code has been accepted. If it flashes 4 times, that means that you entered the code wrong and it didn't recognize it. So that means all you do is, don't worry, the car, nothing will happen to it. All you do is just turn the car off and restart the procedure again. And so yeah, that's your new code now. It's entered and you can use that to start the car. So the next one I'm going to talk to you is on how to put it into service mode. So this is when you take the car into a garage or to get it serviced to a dealer. So what your service button on the Audi is the driver window up. So it's this one right here. So you have to press that button 5 times up, and that will allow you to put the car into service mode. So the way you do that is when you get in the car, you turn the car on and enter your current code. As you can see, it flashed. And what you do is you press that 5 times. Once you press that 5 times, it will flash 5 times. And once it's flashed 5 times, it's in service mode. So this allows you to drive the car around 5 miles an hour. But if the car is driven around 30 miles an hour for more than 5 minutes, what happens is the Ghost will reactivate itself. And when the car is turned off the next time and try to be turned on again, the car cannot be turned on because you need to enter the code. This is only mainly used only at dealers and the garages, because they only be driving around a little bit, and you can start and stop the car without the code. So as you can see, the car will start. The car is started, and you can turn it off, and the car starts again, as you can see. So yeah, that is your service button. And all you do to take it off service mode is when you get the car back, turn the car on, and what you do is you just enter your code. So at the moment is on the passenger one, so you enter your code, and it will flash 2 times, and now the Ghost has been reactivated. So yeah, that's it for the Ghost, guys. So if you need any more videos on help on how to use the Ghost 2 system, just make sure to subscribe to our channel, and more videos are coming, guys. Thank you.